Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this is a very short video on how somebody can get started on Binance. So if you're new to crypto and you're very confused on let's say you want to buy some crypto or like you want to sell some crypto and like you're confused on how to use Binance or like any other CXs. So this is a very short tutorial. So how can you get started? So once you're here at Binance, so that's www.binance.com, binance.com. Once you're here, since I'm already logged in, you just need to click on register. I don't put any money in the CXs because I'm more of a DEX guy. So I have most of my money on DeFi, but like I do use Binance to off ramp and also maybe do some futures. So once you're on Binance and click on register, you will be having the same page as me. And then what you need to do is click on your avatar and then go into your account and then identification. And then once you're in identification, you can upload your IDs and get verified. So once you're verified is when you can start, using your Binance for trading, especially P2P. So let's say you want to deposit some funds or you want to buy crypto directly. So if you want to buy crypto and it is supported in your country, you can directly buy from Binance. So like once you're here, you can select any currency that you are. Let's say for example, let's choose US dollar. So let's say I want to buy, so the minimum spend is $15. So like, let's say I want to buy $15 worth of USDT. You can do that and then click on the payment method and then select the payment method that's supported in your country. So the next way is to do a P2P. So once you're verified and then click on trade and then go to P2P, you will be able to buy directly from peer-to-peer sellers. So let's say you're buying, I'll just change it to US dollars. Sorry. Yeah, once you're in US dollars, you can buy directly from here. So let's say you can choose any payments that is supported. You can put in the transaction amount here to find the exact seller that you want for the amount. And then you can buy USDT directly here. So once you click here, you will be able to transfer the money to the person. So always what you need to make sure is check how many orders the person has, check the rating, and also check the completion rates. So I would suggest go for somebody with higher orders and higher completion rates and higher feedbacks. That's pretty much easy. Now let's say you have some crypto in your wallet and that you want to sell. So what you need to do is click on deposit and then click on deposit crypto. So let's say you have some USDT. So click on USDT and then click on the address that you want. Select the network that you want. So let's say, for example, you have it on BSC, click that, copy this address and then transfer the amount. So as you can see, minimum deposit is 0.01 USDT, which is a very small amount. So once you do that, the deposit will get confirmed. Always make sure to send it to the right address and select the right address. If you send it to the wrong address, it may be unrecoverable. So please make sure not to send it to the wrong address. Always make sure it's sent to a supported address. So once you do that, let's say you have now you have some USDT in your account. What you need to do is click on trade and then you can do P2P. Or if you also go and click buy crypto, you'll have a sell option here as well here. So if your country is supported, for example, in India, it's not supported, but like, yeah, let's say I want to sell 100 US dollars, 100 USDT, and then you can select the transaction method. For example, you want to receive it via, let's say I'm going to switch to US. Okay, it's not supported in United States. So let's do UAE. So you can see different methods based on so for example, it's only supported, P2P is supported here, but you can select any one which you want. It depends again on your country. So that's pretty much it on how you can get started on Binance. That's basically how to do a P2P, how to register, how to get verified, and how to buy crypto or sell crypto. There is various other features, like you can do futures, you have earn features, you have trading features like spot, you have trading bots, margin, and copy trade and various other stuff. But yeah, this is just a basic tutorial on how to get started on Binance. If you have any doubts, please do drop them in the comment section. I'll also provide a referral link to Binance if you use mine, whereas if you trade more than $100 in spot in volume, you'll also earn few rewards, that is US dollars in rewards. For example, if I click on my referral link, you can see that. Give me a second, let me just show it to you guys. So if I click on my referral link, you can see that. Give me a second, let me just show it to you guys. So if I click on my referral link, you can see that. Give me a second, let me just show it to you guys. So if I click on my referral link, you can see that. Give me a second, let me just show it to you guys. Yes. So once you click on referral, you can see that I've already, like, I'm at 98.8 percentage where I have accumulated $49 in rewards. So if you use my link and trade, you will also get rewards based on this. So like, for example, if you trade and, like, you have an ensure that you have an ongoing round, that's for the referrals. And if you complete 6 rounds, you can unlock up to $2,000 in token vouchers. And for example, every reward that, like, when you trade, you also get rewarded. I also get rewarded. So yeah, that's it pretty much. You guys have a good one. Bye bye.